Let me show you how to easily import data into your Google Sheets from external websites like Wikipedia in the manner shown on screen. Simply write equals import HTML and in the parentheses write the URL of the website that contains the data you want to import and put quotation marks around it. Then specify the data type you want to import, also within quotation marks, for example, table. Finally, specify the index of the data type you want to import. So if you want to import the first table of the website, you write number 1. To make this formula even easier to work with, we can make it dynamic by enter cell values, where we can enter this information instead to make it easier to change the inputs of the formula in the future. Once this is done, it's extremely easy to import different data from different websites, and if you found this helpful, please give the video a like. Thank you.